This is SW Paintball making a video how to install the color kit. You need the Allen key that you get with the rotor. Razor blades, wherever that went, or a knife, a nice skinny knife, and a screwdriver, because you need to unscrew the screws from the new color kit. So first you do is take this, unscrew the screws, but I already got them over here unscrewed for you. So you take this off, put this on the side, then I already got this one up. Then so what you do is take it like side like this, push out, kind of like slide out like that. So got both the windows up, and the emblem's probably the toughest thing to do. Like I said, they're on. Just slip it under. Take a while. Take the sticky stuff off. Just how much you can. But what I found that I did best to take off the sticky stuff was get a face cloth, like with warm water on it, and scrub it for a little bit. So got all of them, and I got a package in today from A&S Geared, and I got the spine speedfeed and the color kit, red. Change that way to red. Let's get all the pieces out here. So you get the stickers out. Okay, got everything out. Don't really need the tools anymore. So what you do, since I'm installed the speed feed, let me get this. Okay, you get your thing, stick it in, since it's the skinniest, and just take out nice and easy. Make sure the spring's still in there. Put that down so we don't lose the spring. Now we can do is unbox my spine speed feed. Put it into the pegs in the rotor. Just make sure it all lines up nicely. Just put this on top. So going in. Wait a second. Here. Okay. It's then like just need to push it down, and it came with screws, but everyone usually carries Allen keys, so I'm just gonna put in the old. Well, I'll just take a screwdriver to the fields from now on, I guess. So you put in screws, gotta do that first, so. Oh my god. Let's do up here first since it's the easiest. Gotta screw it now. Okay, so. Oh yeah, before I did this video, I took the screws out, so I already have the screws out. I'm gonna do that after it's taken too long, so. Yeah, it should have, oh yeah, it's taken too long. Kinda sexy. Put the new windows in, gotta line them up, see what matches. So, there's kind of a groove, like that. Kind of find the groove. Oh, wrong piece. Okay, so, gotta find the groove. Find the groove. And when it goes all in, wait a second. Gotta slide in more. There you go, nice. And this is the other side. Do the same thing. Okay. Then for the stickers, kinda got some of the sticky stuff off, so let's go ahead and do it. So let me do this facing me, so. Nice, press it hard. Got that sticky piece. Let me do it facing you guys now. Put it in place. Kind of snap there. Okay. And that's. Let me put this on. Have a nice new red rotor with a spine speed feed. Thanks for watching my video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Just comment on what other videos you guys want or something. I'm trying to do a playing video soon, so see you guys soon.